Tiffany Nicole Moss was the woman who starved her 10-year-old stepdaughter, Imani Gabrielle Moss, to death in Lawrenceville, Georgia. This case became the basis for reforms in Georgia's child welfare system. Due to the severe nature, Tiffany's crime gained a lot of media attention. Tiffany abused Imani for several years prior to her death. She eventually died of starvation on October 28, 2013. At the time of her death, she weighed a mere 15 kilograms, the weight of an average toddler. In 2019, Tiffany was convicted of malice murder, 2 counts of felony murder, 2 counts of first-degree cruelty to children, and concealing the death of another. The court sentenced Tiffany to death plus 20 years. The case had no margin for leniency, and Tiffany was given an exemplary punishment. This was one of the worst cases that made everyone involved in the case feel sick to their stomach. Tiffany is currently incarcerated at Arundel State Prison and is the only female death row inmate in Georgia. Tiffany stood alone at her table as the verdict was read to her. There wasn't even a defense attorney present beside her. For someone sentenced to death, Tiffany was quite composed and there was no sign of remorse. She just nodded and quietly waited for the judge to finish reading.